So, two important decisions taken in the state assembly. One was with regard to removing the ceiling of 50% for in the state of Telangana, so that 42% reservations for the backward classes can be done, and therefore two amendments both to the Municipal Act as well as to the Panchayat Raj Act, and that's why the delegation had gone to Raj Bhavan. In fact, they had hoped to lead a all-party delegation, and yes, there was agreement in the assembly about it, saying that we are amending both these bills, and therefore we should be able to go ahead with the 42% reservations for backward classes. The High Court had also set a deadline saying that by the 30th of September, you should conduct the local body elections here. The second important issue was about ordering a CBI probe into the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation scheme, the plan, design, execution and implementation, alleging that there are major irregularities, and Revant Reddy has announced the CBI probe based on the PC Ghosh Commission report, and also saying that the National Dam Safety Authority had also pointed to irregularities in the design, execution, construction of the three barrages that are involved. Of course, the BRS is questioning the Congress now, asking how come if Rahul Gandhi has called the CBI as an opposition eliminating agency, how come the Revant Reddy government here is asking for a CBI probe, and they are questioning whether Revant Reddy and Rahul Gandhi are at variance on their views about the CBI. They are alleging, of course, a collusion between the Congress and the BJP in targeting KCR and Harish Rao and the BRS party. So the Congress wanted an all-party delegation to meet the governor to impress upon him that all the parties in Telangana want the 42% reservation for backward classes, and therefore they want the ceiling of 50% to be done away with. I have with me PCC Chief Mr. Mahesh Kumar Gaur and also PC Affairs Minister Mr. Ponnam Prabhakar. Sir, already 3 bills are pending with the President. Why do you think this time you should be more successful?
The government, union government as well as governor have requested, they should understand. It's unanimously passed in the House. It's a public movement. It's a public pulse. We are going with the people's thinking. Unanimously passing the bill means the all parties have accepted in the state. Communists, BRS, including BJP also voted for the bill in the assembly yesterday. Already 2 bills and ordinances pending with the union government, with the President of India. Now removing the cap of 50%, earlier been done by the KCS government. Now yesterday we have removed the cap of 50% without affecting SC/ST reservation. Now the total reservation go up to 69%. And as per the Panchayat Act also, it's in the state purview only. So again, we have passed a bill removing the ceiling of 50% yesterday in the assembly, today in the council. It's been passed unanimously, supported by all parties. Now we have requested the government, there is no objection from any party, any quarter of the state. It is unanimous decision and it's public wanting. Now,
So you are not expecting any legal obstacles right now?
if at all, if we get any legal hurdle also, we'll face it.
Okay, with this kind of reservation, of course, the local body elections अभी होने वाले हैं, उसके लिए आप जल्दी कर रहे हैं कि अभी हो जाना चाहिए ताकि 50% का जो आरक्षण पे जो सीलिंग है उसको रिमूव किया जाए.
कोर्ट का आदेश है सितंबर 30 के अंदर इलेक्शन होना है, तो हमने कानून में जो 42% लागू करने के लिए बिल बनाए, तो केसीआर साहब की सरकार के टाइम पे 2018 में 50% का बैरियर का एक बिल था, उसको हमने ऑर्डिनेंस बनाया था, ऑर्डिनेंस से रुक गए, फिर कल हाउस लगा के उसको हटा के फिर बिल बनाए और ऑल पार्टी के सहमति से. हम गवर्नर साहब को यही बताना चाहते हैं और गवर्नर साहब को यही विज्ञप्ति किया है कि मूड ऑफ द हाउस, ऑल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर यूनानिमसली सपोर्टिंग एंड पास द बिल, सो प्लीज यू आल्सो सपोर्ट इट. एंड हम किसी का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली एससी रिजर्वेशन को कोई टच नहीं करते हैं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली एसटी रिजर्वेशन को कोई टच नहीं करते हैं और ईडब्ल्यूएस को भी कुछ नहीं करते हैं, तो हम किसी का खींचने का बात नहीं है ना. हमारा को हमको हक देने के लिए हमारा नहीं हो रहा है, हमारा रिप्रेजेंटेशन नहीं है.
तमिलनाडु का रूट क्यों नहीं ले रहे?
तमिलनाडु का रूट लेते हैं ना. अभी बीजेपी भी गैरहाजिर हो गए, बीजेपी का सरकार का वो प्रधानमंत्री बोलता है बीसी, और यहाँ तो आके राहुल गांधी खुले मैदान में बोल रहे हैं हम लोग आए तो सरकार में बनाएंगे. अभी भी हम नरेंद्र मोदी को और बीजेपी तेलंगाना लीडरशिप को बोलते हैं कि जाके बनाओ, उसमें क्या गलती है. हमने बोला ना किसी का हक नहीं खींच रहे हम लोग, हमारा हक को पूछ रहे हैं, हमारा हक को बीजेपी का लोग रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. प्यार ऊपर दिखाता है और पेट में कुछ लगा के काम चला रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होता है.
एक और अहम सवाल है, आपकी सरकार ने अब सीबीआई प्रोब कहा है कि जो पीसी घोष कमीशन का जो रिपोर्ट है कालेश्वरम पे वो सीबीआई इंक्वायर करेगी, लेकिन राहुल गांधी ने कहा था कि सीबीआई सेंट्रल
दैट इशू इरिगेशन मिनिस्टर और चीफ मिनिस्टर और पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट विल बी रेस्पॉन्ड.
So, the BC Welfare Minister not wanting to respond on the issue of the CBI probe, but we will be asking that question to the Congress leadership on why they have ordered a CBI probe when their party leader seems to suggest that the CBI is an agency that is only meant to eliminate the opposition. The BRS also accompanying the delegation that has gone to the governor. You are now saying that you are going to be supporting this particular bill, of course, but three bills are already pending with the president.
It's the second time which we have supported the bill which Congress government has got to the floor in the House to get reservations of 42% for the BCs in the state. Right from the beginning, we are in favor of the bill, but the procedure which the Congress government is following, which we find it fault. Ultimately, it's being the third and fourth time it's been discussed in the Assembly, and the bill is pending with the governor. We always said clearly that the bill, if you need to get passed, get it to implement, definitely it should be passed in the parliament and it should be kept in the night schedule. Then only we can get the protection. If at all, like governor also passes the bill, if governor also signs the bill, but there is a chance of legal litigations, obstacles in the court. So anyway, Congress government is blaming us that KCR sir has got the limitation of 50% in the state, but it's not true. It was the bill which earlier when KCR sir was the CM, we tried to get reservation for BCs, but we got hurdles from the then opposition party in Congress. We don't want to get in such a mess. We are clearly in support of the bill, and we see sincerely all the parties and all the BCs are in favor of this bill. We request CM of Telangana State, Revanth Reddy Garu, to fight in Delhi. He should fight in Delhi, he should agitate in Delhi, so that the bill get cleared in Delhi and it get a legal sanctity and a legal protection in the courts.
His argument is that you did not join him when he went for a protest today.
Right from the day one, the procedure which they adopted is totally, it's not according to procedure. So that's why they're not invited us. He himself admitted yesterday that Prime Minister is not giving appointment for us to take the party delegation. So it's a dual standards, always a dual words, which is not good for the CM. Being in such a responsible position, he should get all the parties and all the people together, and you should see the bill get passed and the bill should be implemented in the state. They have promised in the Commonality Declaration that they are going to get 42% reservation for BC within 6 months. With what standard, with what hope he had promised in the elections, he had taken all the votes of BCs and he came to the power. Now he is struggling to get the bill sanctioned. So this is totally a legal battle, and also we should follow such procedures to get the bill sanctioned. As in Tamil Nadu CM Jayalalitha went to Delhi. She sat in Delhi and she promised the state of Tamil Nadu that I'll get back to the reservations only. So that's why the Tamil Nadu got the reservations of BCs and all SC/ST minorities. There is no sincerity, there is no seriousness in this bill. Yesterday, CM himself, when the discussion was going on, he went to Kerala in a special flight. So Sachin is serious about the bill.
The other important decision that was taken in the assembly and announced was that there will be a CBI probe into the PC Ghosh Commission report, and also he quoted the NDSA report. What does the BRS have to say about it?
You see very clearly, Congress party leader in Delhi says, Rahul Gandhi says that CBI, ED and IT are, puppets of BJP in the center. Now, and he clearly says, Rahul Gandhi, that BJP in central are using all these constitutional departments like CBI, ED and ID to suppress the opposition parties. How can his CM belonging to the Congress party here being the state, Revanth Reddy, how can he believe CBI? How can he get this case to the CBI? Whether Rahul Gandhi is correct or Revanth Reddy is correct. They both should decide and tell the people of Telangana whether Revanth Reddy is following the principles of Congress party, or all the people of state have a doubt that he is indirectly or indirectly touch with the BJP.
Are you suggesting a Congress BJP collusion in this matter, because they are talking about Mr. KCR and Mr. Harish Rao, so-called indicted by the report?
Absolutely. Right from the day one, they didn't follow the procedure. They didn't follow the act. This is the only Congress commission. That's why we said that it's not a PC Ghosh commission, it's a PCC commission. And clearly, BJP and Congress wanted to They don't want to have BRS party in Telangana. So that's why in the future, we see like Congress have any bright future in the state. They don't have any positive vibes in the state. The misrule by Revanth Reddy is getting a boomerang in the state. So that's why you don't want to get BRS again into power. So that's why BJP and Congress both colluded and they don't want to have BRS party in the future. That's why both of the parties colluding and they wanted to target BRS party. They want to target KCR Garu. They want to target the image of KCR Garu so that they can
You're
have
also
a
taking a legal challenge against this.
Definitely. It's a right. It's a right to go to the courts. It's a right to go and challenge the Ghosh Commission. It is totally illogical. It's totally illegal.
Thank you so much. So the Congress leadership, after announcing the CBI probe into the KLIS, the plan, design, execution and implementation of the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project and PC Ghosh Commission report, now the BRS is alleging that it is a collusion between the Congress and the BJP that they have ordered now the CBI probe, an agency that Rahul Gandhi has said he does not trust. In Hyderabad, camera person Nagaraju Kumar Sudhir, TV.